friends, in continuation to our Pongal cooking effort, the pressure inside the cooker has gone out naturally. Right now there is no pressure inside the cooker, so we can check it. Meanwhile, the dry sabji that we are preparing, that has also been cooked well. I cooked it for around 10 minutes and it is still covered. I switched off the gas. I have not checked it. It is still there because the vessel is still hot. So let it be there like that for some more time, so that with that heat, a little bit more auto cooking process will happen. So I have not tasted it, neither I have not tested it right now. So it is still there like this. So let it be there. Though I have switched off the flame, it is still there. And here the pressure inside the pressure cooker has gone out. And let us open and check, and we will proceed further. Let us open and check like how it has turned up. Yes, and meanwhile this was happening, I have taken few of the ingredients that I can show it to you. I can show it to you from a closer look, because this we will be using in further process. I have taken couple of cashew nuts. I have taken a little bit of cumin seeds, and then I have taken black pepper, kali mirch, jeera or kaju. These things we will be using in our further process of making the pongal. Actually, we need to fry these things in the pan, and that we will be putting inside the pressure cooker. So first we will check how the pongal has come up. The pressure has gone now, it's safe to open. Okay. Okay. I can show it to you. I just opened it, I can show it to you. It is still steaming hot. If you can see this is how it is. It is still steaming hot. I'll just take a spatula. I'll just check it out. Okay, I have a spatula here with me. So, wow, excellent. It has come up too good. Wow, I can just show it to you. This is the way it has to be. A little bit mushy. The pongal has to be a little bit mushy. This is it. Excellent. What I'll do is I'll plate it out and we'll just taste it a little bit. We'll taste it and just plate it out a little bit. We will taste it. I'll take a spoon and I'll just taste it. It's too hot. It is steaming hot. It's perfectly mushy, and it has to be like this. Pongal has to be like this. We don't want the perfect rice, the way it is spread out without sticking. No, we don't want that. Pongal, it is all mushy. It has to be mushy. And it's too hot. It's still steaming. Very good. Excellent. Now we will continue with the further process. This I'll keep it aside. Now we will continue with the further process of frying these masala that I have with me. This will fry. I'll take a frying pan. I have taken a frying pan. Just switch it on. Now we'll pour ghee and we'll proceed ahead. I'll just pour ghee and we'll proceed ahead. So I'll put not much, just 2 tablespoons, because I just need to fry these things. Not much ghee. A little bit of, I want the pan to come to good heat. Well, it is already hot. Two teaspoons of ghee I have taken, and I've just poured it inside the pan and let it come to a heat, and then we'll fry it. First I'll just put the cashews. I'll put the cashews inside the pan. I can just show it to you. I'll just take a spatula. So this is it. I can just show it to you. First I put the cashews. So I can just show it to you from a closer look. This is how it is. This is how. I just put the cashews. This needs to turn golden brown. So let it turn out to be golden brown. Till that time we need to wait. A little bit, golden brown it has to turn out. Well, it is happening fast. It is happening fast. And I don't want to burn it out. I don't want to burn out the cashews. I can just show it to you how it has turned out. It's happening too fast. This is how it has become all brown. I don't want to burn it out, so I'll just make it fast. So rest of the things also I'll put it here now. Just keep it aside. I don't want to burn out the cashews, so rest of the things I'll just reduce the flame and that's everything I put. And these all everything will fry. This masala we'll put it inside the cooker. Nice popping. Smell is also great. That's it, enough. I think I overburned the cashews. That's it, I switched it off. Now this thing we'll put inside the pressure cooker. Just dump it inside. That's it. This is it. This is a pongal. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just take this spatula. I'll put some pongal inside the pan. Just wipe it off. So no, nothing is left out. Just take it and wipe it out nicely. I've cleaned the pan. It is all nice and clean. I just clean the pan. Okay. Now this is what it looks like inside. I can show it to you inside the pressure cooker. Now this I will mix it. I think I'll just add a dollop of ghee to it. A little bit more ghee, just to enhance the taste. Little bit of ghee I added. That's it, a little bit of ghee I added. Now these things will mix it up, mash it up nicely. So this is the pongal that you can see right now. It is there in my hand. The smell is awesome. Great smell. And pongal has to be like this. It has to be smashy. I mean, we don't want it to be, like perfect grains, rice grains and all these things. No, we don't want that to happen. We want pongal to be perfectly like this and let it become smashy, mushy. It has to be. And this is the pongal that we have made. And this is the pongal. I can see it is still steaming hot. It is too steaming hot. It is good. It is good. Well, that's it. This is the pongal. This is the This is the pongal that we have made. It's wonderful, yummy. Yummy, delicious pongal. Well, and we need to check our sabji also. This is the pongal. I can show it to you from a closer range. Under the light, this is how it is, still steaming hot. This is the pongal that we have made, and our sabji is also ready now. It is also looking yummy, delicious. So here we go, our final clip of tasting the delicacy, the pongal and the dry sabji that we have made, the dry curry that we have made with onion, potato, capsicum and tomato, and the pongal that we have made. Next session we have a lunch. And thank you for watching, and please do keep watching. I'll come up with the reviews. Thank you.